my 1998 Chevrolet K2500 with a straight axle swap I did a couple weeks ago. It's a 1989 Ford F350 Dana 60, and I already got the front tie rod. I'll tell you about that later. And that's going to be replaced. It's sitting on an Offroad Design leaf spring hanger kit, straight axle swap kit, with their custom leaf springs. They're 2-inch lift leaf springs and 3-inch lift brackets, which makes it a 5-inch lift. It's got their crossover steering kit and high steer arm for the Kingpin Dana 60. We got Bilstein 5165 or 6165 shocks, I forget. WFO frame plates. Well gone over the old frame there. And I have out back a WFO Shackle flip with the little angle shims and axle relocator, which is about a 1/2 inch thick, and that locates the axle 1.5 inches back to the center in the wheel well. And that gets me about 5.5 inches of lift in the rear. Makes for a nice soft ride. It flexes pretty good. I just got a driveline made for it because I've been driving around without a driveline for a little while. I did have to trim the front bumper quite a bit. So I have 4 inches of clearance here, 4 inches in the back. There. The driveline is a 1330 CV up at the transfer case. I had to because there's a 16-degree angle up there. There's a 5-degree down at the pinion here, so it's not ideal, but it keeps it from binding. It may vibrate a little bit if I drive down the highway like that, but I don't plan a lot of highway driving with 4-wheel drive. It doesn't snow around here. It's got the Yukon Hardcore hubs on here. I think these are just the regular spline stubs. I didn't go for the 35. I think these are the 32 spline, or 30 spline, whatever it is, stock. I got the car steps on here. That's pretty much it. It's got 410 gears with a gov lock in the rear and a 454 Vortec with a 4L80E and a 243 transfer case. I wonder if this drive shaft's gonna fall out when I extend it to travel the other way, because this is compressed on the driver's side. You can see the leaf spring is pretty well inverted like that. The other one's a little bit stretched out. It's not even articulated that much.